a song that is easy to understand and pleasantly, such that no one can criticize the words or fix the melody. And it has a sweet and gay sound, and is of beautiful subject, and pleasant to tell, please me, and I want to praise it to whoever blames it and defend it. And he who wants to criticize any man for his composing must first learn how he can argue by right that which reason demands, and whether the fault is his or not, so that he can save himself from it. But a foolish man is not made to be chastised, nor to contend with him. A wise man who wants to undertake any great deed or begin one must first wait until he sees clearly whether he does sense or failure. For he is a fool who starts a quarrel and cannot fight, from which he must go by force to surrender on mercy.
From now on my greed will be less, because I hear falling and lowering, the pride and the power descending of an Aesolin and diminishing. And all his harms are to me happiness more than my own profit,
And his joys make me weep,
and his annoyances make me rejoice,
and my heart attends to the good.
badly have they made him spend his time, the vile deeds that he has had done,
Burning ladies and taking children, and slaughtering young girls,
and many a nun put to fire and to coal, where crosses and altars are burned.
Ah, God, how can you stand to let such false vengeance be taken? If God
In a short time,
does not take vengeance on him,
many people
will be made to suffer,
by him
and he will make them believe that they should take him in gratitude.